Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making the easiest vanilla ice cream, which we are making from evaporated milk. These are the tools and ingredients we are using for today's vanilla ice cream, which we are making from evaporated milk here. So we have 1 cup of white granulated sugar, white chocolate, which we molded with my silicone mold. We have vanilla essence here, evaporated milk. We'll be using our stand mixer with the whisk attachment, a bowl with the lid, our ice cream scooper, and the silicone spatula. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. We are going to start by opening our evaporated milk here, and then we'll pour it into our bowl here. Now we are going to add in the sugar. Then we place it into the machine with the whisk, and then we cream until it forms kind of a whipped cream base. We'll add in our vanilla essence, and then we'll combine. We've obtained our whipped cream mixture. This is going to make a very delicious ice cream. So we are going to remove it and then transfer it into our bowl. So we are going to cover it, then we freeze for 6 to 12 hours. You can also leave it in the fridge overnight. This is our... Before we get into the next aspect, please, my loves, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you haven't, kindly do so now by clicking on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. There is nothing being charged for just subscribing and joining this delicious and amazing team every single day on your screens. Please subscribe and I promise you are going to enjoy it. Ice cream the following day, so I'm going to open it, and this is how it looks like. And we are going to use the ice cream scooper, and then we scoop it out. This is how it looks like. We are going to top it up with some white chocolate. You could enjoy it just like this, or you top it up with some chocolate. Now we are going to grate some chocolates on it with our grater and our bar of chocolate here, just for added taste. Just like that, our vanilla ice cream, which we made from evaporated milk, is ready for enjoyment. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.